Hello, hello, hello. All right, so we are back answering yet another question. This is actually a pretty hot one. It comes up pretty often. Typically when a family member is appointed to serve as power of attorney or an agent for someone, and then they have other family members who do not necessarily agree with their decisions. And they're often wondering, what can I do to stop this person? Who can override this person? If I'm the next of kin, can I stop them? And the short answer to that is no, unless they're actually doing something wrong. They're taking advantage of the individual. They're not actually following the duties that they were assigned. They're not paying the bills. Maybe they're stealing money or something along those lines. Then there's not a whole lot you can do just because you do not like the decision. A person has the right to select anyone they choose to be their agent. It does not have to be the next of kin. So if they chose their best friend, but then their next of kin doesn't necessarily like that, it does not mean that they can override that decision just because they have a blood relationship. Now, if there is a situation where there's an agent or a power of attorney who's misusing assets, who's doing something they're not supposed to do, certainly the courts can be involved to resolve that. Or if there's a situation where there's an agent, but they themselves no longer have capacity, then a court could be involved to appoint a guardian. But outside of those circumstances, you cannot override a power of attorney simply because you don't like them, you don't necessarily like what they do, or because you think you have a closer relationship to the person. All right. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'll see you next time.